Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another cooking video. Roman is making breakfast right now. I wanted to show you guys an easy vegan breakfast you can make, and I'm gonna also show you guys like my favorite cereals. Then I'm also going to show you guys a easy vegan lunch to make, so if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Roman in the kitchen this morning. He always whipping up the good breakfast. Okay, so just eggs.
Just eggs, potatoes,
Potatoes.
Blueberry muffins. And that's it.
We'll check in on him in a second.
Too small, I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at. Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it, and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you.
Okay, now this is the final product. So we got the potatoes, the eggs, and the waffles with strawberries and the syrup. Look at how nice it looks too. We got some chefs in this house. Yay, yay. Okay, we're about to take these core shots. I got these from Whole Foods. I get everything from Whole Foods. This is Black Magic. It's a detoxifying charcoal cold pressed juice. So let's try this. To open this, let's sit down. Come over here. I'm nervous. Cheers. Okay, so I'm gonna be making kind of a lighter lunch. I would call this a lighter meal. It's not too heavy. So I'm gonna make edamame for a side. Now I get this edamame from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite edamame that's shelled. I like the shelled edamame better than getting it unshelled. I think it's just more fun to eat. Right here I got zucchini. I already peeled the zucchini, but I'm gonna cut it up and fry it on a pan. I have made some rice in the rice cooker. If you guys don't have a rice cooker, it's a lifesaver. Get a rice cooker. They're on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Yeah, so the rice is here already made, so I'm just gonna whip this stuff up real quick and yeah. It's actually good to talk to someone you would never date. You could catch feelings, but you know you're not gonna date them. Yeah. Always have more than one. Have multiple. Drake said, I got 2 girlfriends and they both pay, something like that. I'm not putting that in there. I don't need any more love. It's a lost fight. So now we got our vegan lunch. So it's zucchini, white rice, jasmine rice, edamame, and then I put lemon on the top of the rice and the zucchini again. And I'm about to put salt on the edamame. Like a lot of salt, not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys some vegan snacks that I like to eat. This brand, the best brand of vegan snacks. Okay, so it's Back to Nature plant-based snacks. These are black pepper, harvest, whole wheat crackers. I really like these, but I feel like these aren't for everybody, but I love them. I also really like snacking on peanuts. These are just regular salted peanuts. These are basically vegan Cheez-Its, and they're really good. They honestly don't taste too different from normal Cheez-Its. Okay, and I just discovered this too. It's a vegan chocolate vanilla pudding, so it's just made out of almond milk instead of regular milk. The consistency is a little bit more thinner than regular pudding, but it's still really good. I like it a lot. It looks like this. This is what the packaging of it looks like. Whole Foods again, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my favorite cereals I've been eating that are vegan. So this is my favorite cereal. You guys probably, oh hi Katie Bell. You've probably seen this in all my videos if you watch my videos. And then Special K's are vegan, and this is the chocolate Special K. Also love because it's chocolate. Can't go wrong with chocolate in the morning, right? Another vegan cereal that I love, which is not as healthy as the other ones that I just showed, but it's Fruit Loops. I like this cereal at nighttime. This is like a munchy high nighttime cereal. Yeah, I also eat a lot of green beans. Pepper, butter, and salt on them, and they're really fire. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.